Union Minister Kiren Rijiju has reaffirmed his commitment to promoting fencing in India. Speaking exclusively to DD India's Tapas Bhattacharya at the 36th Senior National Fencing Championship in New Delhi, the minister said that both public and private sector support is crucial to elevate the sport and boost India's medal prospects. Rijiju expressed confidence that the LA 2028 Olympics will be a turning point for Indian fencing, adding that India's fencers are poised to deliver strong performances on the global stage.
Joining me is Union Minister Kiren Rijiju. Sir, you've come to the 36th National Fencing Championship. Must have been a proud moment for you, because you have been talking about fencing for a long period of time. In fact, got it in the priority sports during your tenure as sports minister. How does it feel coming here?
First of all, fencing requires support from every corner, because fencing is an Olympic sport. Any Olympic sport requires people's support, government's encouragement, and especially the corporate must come forward to sponsor this kind of national level tournament. Fencing is a very interesting game. It's a reflection of your mind, your body. The players have to be extremely fit. And in the school level, I think we need to push more, because if you want to raise the standard of the game, then the popularity of the particular sport has to be introduced in the schools. When the Khelo India movement was launched, I thought fencing was not initially given that much of support, but later on we included fencing as a priority sport.
That's right. Sir, I also wanted to ask you about there is a problem of finance where corporate needs to come forward. Do you believe, because you are also being a minister, you want to call upon the corporates to come forward, use the CSR funds to help these players? Because we have seen, Bobby, in the last few years, Indian fencers have done remarkably well in the international stage.
Yes, not only the PSUs, the other corporate bodies, the private sectors must come forward. I will also request the FICCI and other organizations like CII and PhD chambers and all to encourage the fencing. Not only fencing, all the Olympic sports must be given priority. At the same time, Modi ji has already given a big push to the indigenous sports.
Much appreciated time. So that was the Union Minister Kiren Rijiju stating that LA 2028 may just be the turning point for India's fencing sport. With camera person Sumit Dewan, this is Tapas Bhattacharya for DD India from Delhi.